Welcome back to Technologia 2050. Humanity has damaged the planet with pollution, plastic, and carbon emissions. But science is fighting back, with futuristic materials that could literally help heal the Earth. From self-cleaning plastics to air-purifying concrete, these breakthroughs may hold the key to repairing our planet. Let's explore 6 incredible materials that are changing the future. Self-healing concrete. Traditional concrete cracks over time, causing costly repairs. But new self-healing concrete uses bacteria that grow inside the cracks, sealing them naturally. This could make cities last longer, while reducing construction waste and emission. Graphene filters. Graphene, the thinnest, strongest material known, can filter salt from seawater and toxins from polluted rivers. With these futuristic filters, clean drinking water could become available for billions of people worldwide. Biodegradable plastics. Instead of polluting oceans for centuries, new biodegradable plastics break down naturally within weeks or months. Made from plants like corn or algae, they could replace harmful single-use plastics forever. Carbon-eating concrete. Scientists are developing concrete that absorbs carbon dioxide from the air as it hardens. If used worldwide, buildings could act as massive carbon sinks, reducing global warming one structure at a time. Transparent solar panels. Imagine windows that generate electricity. Transparent solar panels can turn skyscrapers, homes, and even car windows into clean energy power sources, helping us move away from fossil fuels. Living materials. Engineers are experimenting with living materials, walls made of algae that absorb CO, or building bricks that grow like coral. These futuristic materials don't just reduce damage, they actively restore ecosystems. From concrete that heals itself to plastics that disappear, these futuristic materials may be the tools we need to heal the Earth. The question is, will humanity adopt them fast enough to repair the damage we've done? If you're inspired by these innovations, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more future tech solutions here on Technologia 2050, because saving the planet isn't just about stopping the damage, it's about building a better future.